here's the deal. We're living in a new world. We're living in a new world. We're living in a new kind of business economy, and that is the attention economy. And there's some facts that you're going to have to take in, that you're going to have to be with, and you're going to need to really be open to over the next 3 days. And one of them is that when I first came into the business world, and I came in as a life coach, when I first came into the business world, it was really about how can you get a clear message, how can you get in front of people, and how can you get some good connections, get some good referrals, get some leads, and then you close them. That's not the world we're living in anymore. Of course, that's a part of it, but now it is truly about how do you cultivate as much attention as possible. And that is not once a month, that is really on a consistent basis. Now, all of you have a different life and a different lifestyle. Some of you want to work full-time, some of you want to work part-time, some of you want to make 6 figures, some of you want to make multiple 7 figures. Some of you are like, listen, I am in retirement. I saw somebody say that, and I'd like to, bring in 50 or 60,000 a year. So we'll talk a lot about speaker lifestyle. I think we talk about that tomorrow. I can't remember, tomorrow or morning of day 3. We'll talk about speaker lifestyle. So depending on who you are and what you want, it's going to be a little different. But what's not different for anyone is the fact that you have to be able to get attention consistently.